considering this child normally doesn't like to get dirty.
Molly, what do you say?
Paint, paint, paint.
Pin.
Yeah, I'm painting eggs.
Mink.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say banana.
Nina.
Say Sammy.
Cindy.
Say David.
Sarah.
Say Colin.
On.
Say Mama.
Mama.
Say Auntie Queen.
Uncle King.
Say Dada.
Dada.
Can you count in Spanish?
Grandma.
1.
Oh no.
Dos, tres, ocho, cinco.
Who's
Oh
your
no.
Who's your favorite football player, Molly?
Here, painting, painting, painting.
Molly,
Oh, good job.
who's your favorite football player?
Come up.
Ocho.
Cinco.
Where's Uma?
What's there?
Where's Uncle David?
What's there?
Where's Uncle Colin?
What's there?
Where's Auntie Teen?
What's there?
Where's Auntie Teen?
What's there?
She's at the coffee shop.
Where's Sammy?
What's there?
Paint.
Reflexes. Say Sammy.
Jimmy.
Say Charlie.
Charlie.
Say Bootsy.
Boots.
Say Dora.
Dora.
Say, I love you.
Hello.
Say Diego.
Diego.
Say David.
There.
David.
This is.
Show Uncle Colin your hands. Go like this.
Molly,
Go like
can you
this.
see your hands?
Oh,
Look at me.
Beautiful.
Look at me. Who's your favorite princess?
Me.
Can you say Cinderella?